Hey guys, my name is Aukokuha and thank you so much for purchasing Godly Vanish. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to vanish the card and 3 different methods how to end up completely clean. So the timestamps will appear right over here. If you want to fast forward to that certain time, then you can. And let's jump right into it. Okay, so here's the explanation of the vanish. I take the card, I show both the sides and both my hands completely empty. And then I take the card, take my hand, and as you can see my pinky finger is like this, so that it can clip the card in midair, so that if I move the card like this, it sticks to it. So this is a normal thing, and this is how I am doing this. And when I pull it up, I'm gonna do like this. So this motion actually causes the card to bend back or tilt back, and that actually creates an illusion that the card is vanishing midair. So once again, I'm taking my hand, clipping the card like this. When I'm pulling it above, I'm doing like this. But make sure you don't do like this, because this hand motion can reveal the working of this vanish. So don't do like this. Do this motion so that the card bends back and you successfully vanish the card. So you end up in this position. You're clipping the card with your ring finger and your pinky. That's how it works. Okay, so I am going to show you 3 different methods to end up clean, and the first method is actually gimmickless. If you opt for the first method, then the entire process is actually gimmickless. The second method actually uses a gimmick that I'll later teach in this video, and the second method is just for social media performances, and the third method is for live performances. If you want to perform, if you have any kind of routines and you want to perform live, then the third method is for you. So let's get into the first method. So for the first method, it can be performed both live or on social media. If you're performing on social media, it's quite easy, because you take the card, you show your hands empty, you take the card, you vanish it, and you show this hand empty and ditch the card down and show both hands empty. So this is kind of easy for social media magic, but for live performances, you're gonna need a table, not a glass table. You're gonna need a table, and just like you lap the cards, you're gonna take the card, vanish it, and you're holding the card like this, and when you show this hand, you drop the card and show both the hands empty. That's how the first method works. Now let's get into the second method. So for the second method, I'm using this gimmick, and the gimmick construction starts in 3, 2, 1. So here's what you need to create your own Godly Vanish gimmick. You need 2 safety pins, you need a rubber band, and you need a string. And also I would prefer you to tie a loop like this, so that you can just place it inside one of those safety pins, and take the rubber band, place it inside the same safety pin and close it, lock it. So you're ready with this. Now take another safety pin and lock it inside. So you actually have this one safety pin attached to a rubber band to one safety pin to this loop, and this loop is connecting to the card. Now how to prepare the gimmicked card? You take the card and you just punch a hole in it and tie the string inside the hole. So in case you don't know how to punch a hole and tie the string inside the hole. So in case you don't know how to punch a hole, this is the method. And there is a hole. And you take the string and tie it around, and this creates the Godly Vanish gimmick. Now let's get into the explanation. So as you know how this gimmick works, let's get into how to set. This method is just for social media performances, and you're gonna take this pin suppose I'm sitting in this setup, so I have this couch and I'm gonna pin it to this couch. So one end is attached to the couch, then we have the rubber band that's pulling the another safety pin, and this black thread is holding this card. So the setup is like this. The string is running through here, and I'm gonna place this hand just like this so that it hides the string. I take the card, show the card. I can show both the sides, but make sure I don't flash. I make sure that I don't flash the string, and I hold the card like this, cover the card, cover the string, and then vanish the card, and just let the card like this. And I would suggest, since this is only for social media, I would suggest you to be in a portrait mode so that the frame is just limited till here, because after I leave the card, the audience doesn't want to see the card flying or swinging away. So that's how you vanish the card, and that's what I posted on Instagram. That looks so clean. The working is actually this. I vanish the card and this pulls the card away. So that's how the second method works. Now let's just get into the third method. For the third and the last method, you're gonna need, you can actually use this gimmick if you're confident enough. You can use this gimmick. And then I don't also want you guys to purchase any other thing other than this effect. So for no additional purchases, if you don't need to purchase anything else, you can use this gimmick, which you can make in home. And if you want to purchase something, then I'm gonna place a picture right over here. So here, this is something you can use as a reel, and it works the same. You just attach it to the card, and the reel will pull it back. So where to place the reel? The reel is actually placed inside. You have attached the reel to this whatever you are adding inside. So the reel is attached to here, and the card actually goes inside like this. So if I use this gimmick and if I tie it, so actually the reel or whatever the gimmick you are preferring is running through inside, and I've tied it to this shirt so that after I vanish, it goes directly inside. So the working is actually the same as what you are performing on social media, but you are tying it to here, and for live performances you are tying it to your shirt. And make sure these two flaps or whatever the jacket you are wearing are close enough so that it doesn't flash. Okay, let me show you from the exposed angle. It looks something like this. You take the card, you vanish it, and it goes directly inside. So that's how you perform this effect live. So I have been working on this project since the time Velsai has posted this on YouTube, and after that I thought that I can do that without any gimmicks. I can do that with slides, but the end up won't be that much clean. I wanted to bring it out for both performers who perform live on street or on shows, and also for people who want to perform on social media, because there are a lot of social media magicians coming up. Okay, so just a quick addition to this video. If we have any kind of variations of this Godly Vanish or any kind of routines that you can perform with Godly Vanish, then do that, and do not forget to tag me on Instagram after you shoot with that. So thank you for purchasing Godly Vanish, my variation of Godly Vanish, and this is me, Alcoco, signing off. Peace.